In this video I will show you how to find and see the password of a Wi-Fi network that is connected to your computer. So let's get started. First, click on the panel on the bottom right where the Wi-Fi icon is located. Next, in the panel that appears, click on the button to the right of the Wi-Fi icon. The list of Wi-Fi networks will open. We are interested in the already connected network. Click on the properties icon to the right of the Wi-Fi network name. The settings window will open. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Scroll down and in the Advanced Wi-Fi Network Properties section click on the Edit button. The Advanced Network Properties window will appear. In this window, click on the Security tab. Next, click on the checkbox labeled Show Characters. You will see that characters will appear in the Network Security Key field. This will be the password for the Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching.